This tutorial shows you how to conduct the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test in SPSS and interpret the results. Go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Explore. Put the variables to be tested with the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test into the dependent list box. Under Plots, deselect Stem and Leaf, select Histogram, and additionally normality plots with tests. These settings are already sufficient and we request the output. SPSS provides descriptive statistics for each variable with mean, standard deviation and so forth, which usually can be ignored. SPSS also shows the tests of normality below, the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test and the Shapiro-Wilk test. Both assume normal distribution as the null hypothesis. Therefore, the alternative hypothesis is that there is no normal distribution. You can see that the tests give different results, which is unfortunate, but let's focus on the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test. It retains the null hypothesis for the height in centimeters and income, but not for the weight in our sample. It is highly important to note that as the sample size increases, even small, unimportant deviations from normality can lead to rejecting the null hypothesis with those tests. Conversely, for a small sample, only large deviations lead to rejecting the null hypothesis. Because of this unreliable testing, it should be standard procedure to not evaluate normality using only the KS and or SW test. I would even go as far and say abandon those tests as many others suggest, for instance, field on page 248. The histogram, or even better, the QQ plot should be preferred, which is explained in the following video.